Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you all are fine, fit and healthy. Okay, now welcome back. The tests are over. Now we are back with the studies and the further syllabus. So today in English 1, it's a turn of English 1. We are going to start with the new chapter. As you can see, it's written chapter number 6. And the name of the chapter is The Wedding of Alan Adale. Alan Adale is the name of a person here, and the story is about the wedding of that person. Wedding means marriage. Wedding of that person, shadi. This man, Alan Adale. Robin Hood is a heroic outlaw in English folklore. He was known for robbing from the rich and helping the poor, assisted by a group of fellow outlaws known as his merry men. Traditionally, they are depicted wearing Lincoln green, a deep warm olive green clothes. Robin Hood. Here in this chapter, one more person we are going to read about is Robin Hood. Robin Hood is a heroic outlaw. Outlaw means the person who does something wrong. चोरी जो चोर होता है, thief, वो चोरी करता है और फिर छुपता है, भागता है. तो that type of person is outlaw. Here Robin is also a चोर, outlaw, but a heroic. Heroic means hero. सबका प्यारा, outlaw. In English folklore, in English stories, folklore means the stories in olden days. He was known for robbing from rich and helping the poor. वो चोरी करता था, लोग उसको चोर मानते थे, जानते थे चोर के नाम से. रॉबिंग मीन्स लूटना, लूटपाट करना. लेकिन कैसे? अमीरों की चोरी करता था और उस माल से, उस सामान से he used to help the poor. Robbing from the rich and helping the poor. Assisted by a group of fellow outlaws known as his merry men. Assisted means the people who follow. A group of people. उसके जो helpers होते थे. A group of fellow outlaws. वो भी ऐसी थे. They also used to do robbing. Known as his merry men. And the name given to the group was merry men. They used to enjoy also. They used to rob the rich and they used to feel happy by robbing the rich and helping the poor. Traditionally, they are depicted wearing Lincoln green, a deep warm olive green clothes. And traditionally means the custom. The clothes which they used to wear were Lincoln green. Color was a deep warm olive green. Olive होता है जैतून, olive green color का होता है. That type of color clothes they used to wear. See, you can see in the picture also. See this type. He is Robin Hood. One day when Robin was walking through the wood, he met a young knight. The knight held his head erect and walked with a light and joyous step. As he walked, he sang a merry song. Robin wondered who the knight could be, but he did not stop him. One day, when Robin was walking through the wood, wood means forest, jungle. When he was walking through the wood, he met a young knight. Knight means soldier. In olden days, in olden time, that soldier used to know by the name of knight. Knight. This is not that knight, raat wala knight nahi hai. See, the spelling difference is there. Here the K is silent and the pronunciation of this word is knight. Okay. The knight held his head erect. Erect means straight. And walked with a light and joyous step. He walked with light and joyous step. Joyous means happy. Dhire dhire. As he walked, he sang a merry song. And as he was walking, the way he was singing a song, happy song. He was very happy. Robin wondered who the knight could be. When Robin saw this man, he wondered. Wondered means thought, sochna. That who could this person be? Who could this knight be? But he did not stop him. He passed away from there, but he did not stop that person and asked, "Ke, who are you?" The next day, he met the very knight that he had seen the day before. The next day again he met that person. The day before to whom he had seen, again he saw that knight. But how different he looked. But that day he looked very different. Why? Do you know why? He was dressed all in dull grey. Dull means boring. Grey. Grey is the color. See, grey color clothes he is wearing. See. His head hung down. Hung means jhuka hua. And he moved his feet as if they were made of lead. Lead means it is a type of a material, heavy material. Lead hota hai. And his feet were moving as if it were very heavy. Feet were very heavy. Robin asked him to sit down and tell him why he was so sad. Then when Robin saw him, he saw that he was very sad. A day before he was very happy, but today he is very sad. Then he called him and asked him to sit down and asked that why he was sad, udas, pareshan. The poor young man sighed and told his tale. This man, he was poor also, गरीब था. Took a sigh. Sigh means लंबी सांस लेना. Take a deep breath and told his tale. Tale here means not that poonch wala tale. Tale, see the spelling difference. T-A-L-E. Here the tale means story. These all are the words, the synonyms. Story, kahani. फिर उसने अपनी story सुनाई. He told him his story. My name is Alan Adale, he said. 7 years ago, I fell in love with the most wonderful lady in all the world. She loved me too, and we were very happy. But her father was very angry because I was poor. Then he told him everything, that what happened 7 years ago. I fell in love with the most wonderful lady in all the world. In the whole world, I loved that lady. She was very wonderful. Wonderful means very good in everything. She loved me too. She also loved me. And we were very happy. But her father was very angry. Why? Because I was poor. Poor means garib. Uske father, he was very angry because I was poor. He says his daughter is not for such a poor man like me. Tomorrow she is to be married to an old and ugly man who has a great deal of money. So I have lost my love and my heart is broken. He says that his daughter is not for such a poor man like me. The daughter's father say that I am very poor and I am not capable of getting married to that girl. Tomorrow she is to be married to an old and ugly man, and tomorrow her marriage will take place to whom? To an old and ugly man. Ugly means जो सुंदर नहीं होता है, बदसूरत जिसे कहते हैं. An old, बूढ़ा, who has a great deal of money. But he has a great deal of money. Deal of money means amount of money. He was very rich. So that is why the father wanted to marry his daughter to that person. So I have lost my love and my heart is broken. So tomorrow she will get married. So I have lost my love and my heart is broken. अब मैं परेशान हूँ, मेरा दिल टूट गया है, मैं because I have lost my love. Robin clapped Alan on the shoulder and told him to cheer up. जब कोई उदास होता है तो हम उसके शोल्डर पे हाथ रखते हैं, उसको टैप करते हैं. Yes, he also did the same. He clapped on Alan's shoulder and told him to cheer up. Cheer up. Don't worry. I'll help you. I am there to help you out. Very early next morning, Robin Hood rose. Rose here means गुलाब का फूल नहीं. Rose means उठना, नींद से जागना. He dressed himself like an old harper and taking a harp set off for the abbey where the wedding was to take place. He left orders with little John that he was to follow with 24 good men, all dressed in Lincoln green. Also he was to bring with him Friar Tuck and Alan Adale. Very early next morning, Robin Hood rose. The next day, Robin Hood get up. He dressed himself like an old harper. He changed himself. He changed his appearance. Now he became an old harper, taking a harp. Harp is an instrument, musical instrument. See, I'll show you. See in this picture, this instrument he is having in his hand. This instrument is known as harp. And the person who plays this instrument is known as a harper. So, Robin Hood became an harper, took a harp and set off for the abbey. Abbey means the place, the church where the marriage was supposed to take place, where the wedding was to take place. He left orders with little John. Little John was his partner. He left orders. First alone he went, and then he told that little John that he has to come with 24 good men, more people, 24. His people were there, those who used to help him out, all dressed in Lincoln green. All are supposed to be in Lincoln green color clothes. Also he was to bring with him Friar Tuck and Alan Adale. Friar Tuck was also one of the members of the group. So he told little John to bring 24 good men and Friar Tuck and Alan Adale also along with him.